Public action learning is another type of experience-based learning. With public action learning, we use society as our classroom. Participants work problem-oriented with real problems and build a community of action organizing with others in order to do activities that make real change. Examples of public action learning could be organizing an event, a debate, or doing an activity in your community. It could be working on a campaign on a real issue, or it could be doing research like interviewing people or stakeholders from the community before you find out what actions are needed. In order to do public action learning as part of your training, you need to ask your participants, what is the change they want to see in their communities? How could they already start acting with others? But how do you ensure that participants learn from their actions? They do learn from doing the action itself, but if you want to ensure deep learning, you need to ensure that there is time and space for debriefing in between and afterwards. We will use the learning cycle again, but can use Roger Greenaway's 4 F's to remember the cycle with the following similar steps. First, the facts. What happened? You need to make sure you have the same understanding of the situation. Secondly, the feelings. How did it feel? What was challenging and what went well? Often learning situations are more intense when feelings are intense and something is at stake. Thirdly, the findings. What did you learn from it? And finally, futures. How will you use what you learned? The debriefing process does not have to be strictly divided in the 4 steps, and you might want to go back and forth, but the model can help you to structure how you design the learning process and your row of questions for participants. So to sum up, if participants can have the opportunity to do public action learning as part of the training, make sure to also have a plan for thorough debriefing afterwards.